I just need to fill the engine oil and we're good to start. So now for the rear wheel, we need these 4 spanners and a screwdriver. Okay, so the 13 is to loosen the brake adjuster, the 19 is to, there's another rod next to the brake adjuster, I don't know the name of that, so 19 is for that, 24 is for the wheel nut and 30 is for the sprocket remove. So here I'll be removing the entire plate, clean it, replace the brake shoe and refix it again. Okay, so come on, let's go. Brand new brake shoes for the rear. This has still got some life. I think I can still go ahead with these old brake shoes. So we leave them inside. Need to fill the engine oil and we're good to start. We'll put these two 2-liter cans and this 200 ml. So we fill 2.2 liters. We'll start the motorcycle and we'll check the oil level. These are new filters replaced before the ride. So you just dust them and put them back. Now we shall wait for 2 minutes and check the oil level. In case the level is low, we will top it up. So if there's anything that I should rectify or change in one of these things that I've been doing, please do mention in the comments below. And let's get back to cleaning all the tools and putting things back at home. I did the entire thing in about 3.5 hours max, when you have all the things sorted and you know what you're doing. My DIY video for you guys about how to service a Royal Enfield at home. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.